Hello, welcome back to Rift Wizard 2. Thought I would do a holy build today. I don't really have a plan in mind for exactly what I'm going to do, so we can just figure it out as we go along. I'm going to pick up Icicle initially, and then we'll probably get Silver Spear, and yeah, go from there. Okay, Heart. Icy Cruciform, well that's probably pretty good if I'm doing Holy and I've got Icicle. I don't know if it's good immediately, but we can just grab it and see how we go. So I guess if I'm going to have an Icy Cruciform, I should freeze things. Let's pick up Ice Bowl. That's pretty nice because it allows us to deal with these high health enemies like orcs, which would otherwise be a bit difficult, pretty easily. Okay, we are out of Ice Ball now though. Orc spawners actually are pretty difficult. We should mana potion. How do I get around to that guy? Okay, there we go. We did have to use a mana potion, but there are actually 2 on that level, so I think that's a worthwhile trade for an Icy Cruciform. I might actually pivot and go away from Holy and make this just an ice build, because Icy Cruciform is really good if you're freezing lots of things and you have Holy Water. Okay, hearts, shoes, spells. Let's go for the heart. And let's start near these spawners. Okay, that guy is going to expire in a bit. There we go. So it probably is actually worth picking up Holy Water right away. Yeah, that's pretty good. Icy Chill Mask. Wow, the game is just throwing excellent ice items at us. We could pick that up. Sorcerer's Disc is also really good for ice. Probably better than the Icy Chill Mask. Let's start up near the gates. Yep. Okay, I think the bag of bugs might be a bit of an issue. Let's Chaos Spell. good. And we get ourselves a Sorcerer's Disc. Let's see. Spells, pets, sinister stuff. What pets do we have? Ghostly Blizzard Beast. Well, these Blizzard Beasts are immune to ice. I might not want to go here just yet. Troll-Blooded Ogre would be able to deal with them, I guess. But I think I'll just reroll. Okay. Trinkets. Heart there, and stopwatch here. Teleporter. Don't know if I could really use these treasures, so we'll go here. These guys are also resistant to ice but not immune. Gates are sort of awkwardly positioned. Troll-Blooded Imps. Minus 75% resist ice, that should be okay. Okay. 5 SP. We should get Shatter Shards, because Shatter Shards is always great. Oh, more icy stuff. Icy Disc would be another radius upgrade, which is very good. So yeah, let's just go here. This level is actually a bit difficult. Hopefully we'll get through it. Is Shatter Shards better on this level? Or is something else better? I think Shatter Shards is a safe bet. Probably get some sort of freezing for Icicle, because I'm pretty reliant on Ice Bowl at the moment for actually freezing things. Don't want to freeze myself. Okay, there we go. Shatter Shards should kill that little group. Or almost. Okay, we're actually out of charges. Yeah, okay, we need a mana potion. That is fine. Okay, there we go. We can pick up Icy Disc. This might actually cause us issues in little levels like this. Like if we're in a corner and we're trying to cast Ice Bowl and stuff, we're going to have a hard time not hitting ourselves. but on big open levels, which hopefully we get more of. Well, I can't really show it off on this level, but the radius will be pretty large. More snowy stuff. Snowy first sphere could be good. Lizard beacon, also good. Oh, geometer's staff, yet more radius. We have to go for that. The radius will be crazy. In fact, it's going to be so crazy that we're not going to be able to use anything on this level without hitting ourselves, so we should pick it up at the end of the level. And I think I should pick up freezing for icicle. Or radiant chill. Radiant chill would probably be better. We can get that if we start here. Ah, yeah, we're going to freeze ourselves if we cast it there. Yep. Anyway, radiant chill. Yeah, this cramped level was actually pretty difficult with the amount of radius upgrades that we have. We are getting shields from the holy stuff, so that's helping us. Actually, yeah, we've got so much shields that we haven't actually taken any damage yet, which is good. Nice. Ridiculous radius. We can get Master of Space too. Okay, let's see what we've got. Treasures, trinkets, daggers. None of those daggers. Well, I guess the sorceress one could be useful. None of those trinkets are really that useful. And these ones aren't that useful either. So I think I'll re-roll. Okay, more daggers, hats, and a heart. Let's get the heart. Oh, easy level. No ice resistance at all. Huge radius on Ice Ball, that is insane. We should get Frozen Fragility or something. Icy Dagger, pretty nice. Or a heart or a treasure. Okay, well, an Icy Dagger on this level will be pretty easy to get and will be very helpful. So I think we'll go here. There is this Mountain Mage and this Arachnid Wizard. Let's see, Shatter Shards and Holy Water are both working out. Kill that guy. We should... Actually, we're doing alright with the shields. Yeah, we're doing fine. Nice. Okay, 7 SP. We could get Ice Lord. And that is probably a good idea. So maybe we just get that. This level would work out fantastically with Shatter Shards and Stormcaller. But there's also those Fey Huntsmen. This level's fine. Pretty doable. I think this is probably the easiest one. That radius is just ridiculous. Okay, 11 SP. I could actually do something with Blizzard. We could get Blizzard and Hailstorm. That Hailstorm will be casting our Icicle spell. For each cloud in your Blizzard, there's a 25% chance for you to cast your Icicle spell. And the Blizzard radius is going to be massive, so we're going to have a lot of clouds, which means a lot of icicles. So I think I'll get that, because that is pretty cool. Hailstorm, yep. We can actually shot off here. Massive radius. All of those are casting Icicle. With Radiant Chill, each of those Icicles will be... Can I see? No. Each of those Icicles will be triggering Radiant Chill as well, so things will be getting frozen. It's like a ghetto Word of Ice, basically. The dangerous thing, I guess, is that we did actually hurt ourselves there, because our radius on Icicle is so large. So we don't want to cast it too close to us. And we don't want to cast it on level with Troublers, because they're going to teleport us into the Blizzard and then we're going to get frozen and killed. Winterlinks is good though. We can go there. Pretty cramped level though. I guess with Winterlinks. Who cares? Okay, Winterlinks. Blizzard. Okay, we're not getting as many Blizzard tiles, but still works. Yep, pretty nice. Let's get Ice Lord. Does this give us any ice resistance? No. Well, we'll get it anyway. The Robe of Ice does give us ice resistance, which might be useful now that we kind of need it to not die to our own Blizzard. We do have these ice slimes on the level, and Winterbringer, and I don't have any SP, so I don't think I can actually do that. Wrathlinks would also work with the holy stuff that we're doing. Nothing ice immune there. Nothing ice immune here. Let's get Wrathlinks. We've got Ice Lord, so this is now doing 26 holy damage, plus we had that dagger from before. Yep, let's go here for Wrathlinks. I guess start up here. Still getting hit with the... if we cast Icicle on any of these, we're hitting ourselves with the radius of it. It's actually kind of dangerous. We are doing a fair amount of damage to ourselves with that. Hopefully I don't die to my own clouds. Expires in one turn. Cool. Maybe I shouldn't get more radius upgrades. I think it's already kind of dangerous. Okay, Wrathlinks. Or, no, this doesn't give ice. If that gave ice resistance, I would consider it. Robe of Frostfire would give ice resistance. 25%, not much. How about the icy helm? 25%. Or a pet. All these levels are kind of closed off. I think I'll re-roll. More pets, big open level, staves, trinkets. Oh, we've already got the geometer's staff, we don't need that. Well, this level's pretty open. Yeah, we can just go here. I think we just kind of wait for a little bit. Things should be dying to Wrath Links. Yep, cool. 1 caster Blizzard, 87 icicles. Okay, so if we cast it diagonally, there's no way we get hit. Okay, we can just cast it diagonally then. And I suppose we can just pick up. This guy's weak to ice, it's just gonna die immediately. 100% resist ice, that's what we want. 8 SP. Frozen Fragility. Would be good. Frostbite works with Winter Links. We can just get both of these, I guess. Actually, no, I should hold on to some SP, just in case we need to pick up Rain Cloud. Big open level. I don't think these, yeah, they're not actually ice immune. We will be fine here. If I pick Master of Space, that does give an extra 2 range, as well as 1 radius, so then we could definitely place the Blizzard such that it won't be hitting us. I think we just wait. I don't think we need to do anything. Whoa, okay, we need to cast Blizzard once more. Nice. 283 icicles. Let's see, anything mystic? Are we doing mystic things? We could get Ice Vortex, and that would be a crazy radius. Probably worthwhile. We can also get the radius upgrade on that. If we're gonna get Ice Vortex, we would probably also want Ice Tap. But I don't know if I'll actually pick it up or not. I think we're doing fine with just Blizzard. Any of these armors? Oh, this is a terrible level for us. We need that big open level. Ice Lich is not actually immune, right? No. The toads are a little scary because they could pull us into our own ice clouds. But I think that's probably unlikely. Let's do this level. No, not that one. What do we actually get from this level? Nothing really. Maybe I should re-roll then. Yeah, let's re-roll. Sorceress Orb. Hourglass. Oh, well, nothing really from these either. I guess this one's okay. This guy's going to teleport us around. There is a stopwatch on the level, so we can just stopwatch. Yeah, if they teleport us into the middle of our blizzard, we probably die. So I think we definitely need to stopwatch. We got frozen? Ah, this guy. Maybe he was a bad pick for a pet. Okay, who we got left? This guy. Could pick up Frostbite. Wouldn't hurt. I don't think we need Stormcaller. And what else? Don't think we really need any more ice stuff either. Could get Word of Chaos. That way we can stun things. And we really should pick up a way of reducing ice resistance, so I should keep SP on hand for that. 2 golden stopwatches. 75% resist ice. Well, this would be a good level for Word of Chaos to make sure that everything is stunned. I really shouldn't have got that pet, because he's going to freeze us. This level is pretty good actually. Okay, let's just go here. I don't think... These ones aren't the ones that ether swap you, so I don't think anything here can pull us into our own clouds. So we don't need Word of Chaos to begin with. We can just do that. And just wait a bit. Yep, cool. Orbs. I guess we can get another Sorceress Orb. Light Lord would actually improve Holy Water damage by quite a bit. That's an extra plus 12. Very cramped level. Frostspew Giant Skull Spawner we would need to take out. This level is fine. This level is fine as well. Ice Frenzy Mask, that would be really crazy. This would guarantee that we kill ourselves with our Blizzard, because our Blizzard is casting our Icicle, and then this is going to increase our ice damage. Okay, well, we're absolutely going to kill ourselves with this if we're not careful, but it is very tempting. Okay, I think I do want to pick up Master of Space. Or do I want to pick up the one that's only range? I actually don't want to increase my radius. Yeah. If I increase my radius, I might kill myself. Okay, so we just cast 58 icicles. So we have an extra, however much that is. We're doing 134 with icicle now. So we definitely kill ourselves if we get hit by even one icicle. 244. As long as we do not hit ourselves with our own icicle, we'll be okay. It's pretty scary. Maybe I shouldn't have picked that up. It's fine. 436, wow. Mordred is going to be terrifying because he's going to be blinking us around. How do we deal with that? Is there a spell? We need shields. We desperately need shields. I don't know how we prevent ourselves from dying to our own icicle at this point. I'm sure it'll be fine. We'll figure it out. Okay, let's see. At this point, we really don't care too much about the levels. We pretty much just want nice big open space where we can guarantee not kill ourselves. I guess this does have this Death Chiller guy who is ice immune. So if I pick up Word of Chaos for stunning, and then we can make it a little bit more safe. Ice worms, they also have the ice immunity. Pretty cramped level and more ice immunity. Okay, well let's go here then. Now let's think about this. We get Word of Chaos, we can stun enemies. We can reduce ice resistance with Rainstorm. And we can Blizzard way out the way. And I guess we can Blizzard again down here. Is that going to hit us if we cast Icicle on that tile? Oh, that'll kill us. Let's not do that. How about that one? Yep, okay. Well, we'll just stick with one Blizzard then. Okay, very careful not to get hit with our own Blizzard. I mean, we can just Ice Kill him at this point, right? That just kills him. Yeah, very dangerous. I guess we could get Light Lord for more damage on... We don't really need more damage, what am I saying? What we need is shields. I don't know how we get 20 shields easily. Or we need a way of giving ourselves ice resistance. But even this will only give us 50% resistance to ice, which still kills us once the Frenzy Mask really gets going. I guess that's better than nothing. I should pick this up just in case. I really don't want to kill myself with my own icicles. This level is fine. Nothing here can blink us around, right? No. These Annihilation Goos might potentially move us, because they can do that tongue lash attack. So this is pretty dangerous. And this level is a bit small, I think. So I think we want to go here then. Arcane Shield. That only gives us one shield, right? And it's only for arcane spells. I don't think we have any arcane spells. Nah, okay, that's useless. That's fine. We don't need anything else really. We've already got way too much damage. Yep, let's do it. Sorcery? Hang on, is this a sorcery? Ice Nature Enchantment. I do want more range on this, because I'm a bit uncomfortable having it so close. So is the extra 1... So this is +2 range, +1 radius. Okay, I think that's actually beneficial. Because now we can get that out there. Oh, was this a mistake? No, okay, we're still good. Oof. I'm so terrified of this blizzard. Cool. I should have used Holy Armor as well, just in case. We don't need any of these. I guess we can pick up Silk Shifter. That's maybe situationally useful. Is he gonna... I thought we would be leaving webs behind. Maybe you don't do it when the level's finished. Okay, Ophan. Translocator. He can swap us. That's not good. He's gonna swap us into our blizzard and we're gonna die. Ophan again, but this time... Okay, wait, no, he can swap us. No good. We don't have a portal key, which is unfortunate. Ophan, anything that can swap us. Doesn't look like it. Maybe we go here. Frostspew, Ether Queen. That's fine, we can Rainstorm on them. And how about this one? This is better. Nothing here can swap us. Yep, and nothing here is ice immune. Okay, let's go here. Ooh, we did get swapped. What swapped us? Oh, that's right, he has Word of Chaos. Wow, that could have been really bad. That's a Holy Armor. And kill these guys. We really want to get rid of this guy. He's 100% resistant to ice at the moment. Okay, there we go. Nice. Wait for our blizzard to expire before we auto-explore. Cool. Okay, so Mordred has a good chance, I would say, of just instantly killing us, depending on where he teleports us to. I don't know if we can really prevent that. So I guess we'll just cross our fingers and hope for the best. Let's just have another quick look. Is there any skill that gives you resistance? I don't think there is. This gives our minions 75% ice resistance, but it doesn't apply to ourselves. Natural Vigor also just applies to your minions. I think the only skills that give you resistance are some of the Lord ones. Like Thunderlord gives you 50% lightning. But I think that's pretty much it. 25% resist physical, not useful. Yeah, we probably die to Mordred. Well, not even to Mordred, just to our own icicle. I think that's what's going to happen, but we'll see. Ah, do I even want this? I guess Earthmail boots can't hurt. Alright, let's give it a shot. Okay. Let's... Holy Armor. He's got clarity. So when is he gonna swap us? Right on the next turn. The wizard... Oh, crap. The wizard is teleported to Mordred's old location. I think we might die here. Okay. Well, we all saw that coming. That's pretty funny though, so I think I'll still upload this video. Usually if I die, I won't bother uploading the video. But in this case I think I will, because we did have a pretty crazy build going. So crazy in fact that we insta-killed ourselves. But yeah, not too bad. Pretty fun. The Icy Frenzy mask was probably a mistake to pick up, since it did end up, yeah, just straight up killing us. But yeah, it was cool. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, I forgot we should go through this. Let's see, icicle stuff. The Icy Cruciform right away was really good. Holy Water right away. We were getting shields from that, which is good. The discs. We got too many discs. Too much radius. Geometer's Staff was also pretty crazy, extra 2 radius on top. Where did we get the... Oh yeah, already. That was pretty dangerous, we were already hurting ourselves with that, and then I probably should not have picked up the Icy Frenzy mask. Where was that? That was on this level. Yeah, crazy amounts of damage from that. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.